Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm CL and welcome to my channel, CL Pushing 50. I hope wherever you are right now, I hope you really are having a great day. Hey, as I've already uploaded a video a few days ago about the big reveal. Hey, I know it's been taking a little bit longer than expected. We're out of town. Guys, check out the new channel. Let's Talk with Corey. Go to the channel, check it out, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. But right now, let's do the big reveal. Guys, so I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see the perspective of the box that I received from Bank of America, okay? So we're gonna turn it around. So there it is, guys. There it is. All right, so we're gonna open this thing up together, all right? And so right there it says Premium Rewards Elite. Thank you for choosing Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Card, and more importantly for choosing us. We value your relationship. And this is obviously from the president of the regional banking for Bank of America. I can't pronounce the name. I'll just say Dean. Thank you, Dean, for allowing me to be a card holder. All right, so look, guys, I try to make sure that what makes my channel different than other channels, right? And say, hey, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to CL Pushing 50. I started this channel because I was an individual who had credit issues in the past, who decided that it was time for me to turn it around. And I did that. It took a lot, right? Hard work, determination, right? Discipline and patience, so it took a lot of those things to get to where I am now. What I've learned about the credit journey as well as the credit game, it is a game, right? I'm gonna get my other glasses and put on. It is a game, and it's our mission to be able to not fall to the to the pitfalls of credit. And if you do fall to the pitfalls of credit, you can recover from it. But it's going to take your involvement in the process of being able to get back to where you need to be. Now, I even said in previous videos, it's like, look, it's not easy. Once you get to the point to where your credit is bad, it takes a little time for you to be able to get that credit turned back around. I mean, if you fall to the point to where your credit score is at a 500, or low to mid 500s, and you want to get to a 700, it's going to take some time. And it's not impossible, because I'm here proving it to you that you can turn it all around. I mean, there's a lot of different people out there that'll tell you do this, do that, do this, and there's a lot of good information out there, and there's a lot of good information on YouTube as well. But be careful with the type of information that you're getting. Always try to verify. My whole point is again, I had a story. I decided to start a channel to help people who are maybe in the same situation I was at that time, and to be able to provide some information. So here, look, these particular types of credit card, this is a premium credit card, right? So let's kind of continue here. I'm gonna put my glasses on. I'm not facing the camera right now, but I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can read this stuff. All right, so as you see, as I pull this thing away, right, so you can actually see that this is a black card, right? And it gives me a telephone number and all that stuff to call to basically activate the card. So this is the Bank of America black card, okay? And yeah, I got it, okay? So we'll get into the meat of this thing here and go into some information that they sent along with the card. Let's see here. So that's what the card looks like, and a little information about client care and so on and so forth. And this is basically Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card, benefits and rewards. And so, obviously, again, Bank of America. All right. And what made me choose this card is because, one, I'm a Bank of America credit card holder. I hold a few of the cards already, and didn't feel like it was going to be a difficult process for me to be able to get the card, especially since I already am a card member. So anyway, so it says elite rewards for your purchases in your relationship. Many ways to earn opportunities to redeem. So like for me, this is definitely going to be important for travel. As I said in some previous videos that I'm going to be doing some travel. My family and I are going to be doing some travel in 2022. Actually, if you go to my other channel, Let's Talk with Corey, you'll see that I went to Memphis. We went to Memphis, and my wife did an excellent job on setting up some activities for us to do, especially the tours. Again, just Let's Talk with Corey is the channel, is the other channel. Of course, this is the credit channel. Okay. So anyway, so go through here. It talks about unlimited points earning. For me, that's awesome because even with American Express, even through my other Bank of America cards, you can earn points. So that's really important for me as well. It talks about the flexible rewards. I'm just kind of going through this thing here. Earn unlimited 2 points for every $1 spent on travel and dining purchases, and unlimited 1.5 points per dollar on all other purchases. So here it says choose from flexible rewards. You can choose how you want to be rewarded. Redeem your points for travel, cash rewards, statement credit, distinctive experiences of gift cards. It's just travel, get the 20% savings on airfare paid for with points through Bank of America Travel Center or the concierge. Okay, believe me, I will be using this stuff. Cash rewards, redeem your points for cash rewards as a deposit into Bank of America checking or savings account. I do not have a Bank of America checking or savings account. Okay. Concierge, redeem points for travel experiences, event tickets, and more through full service concierge. And it also talks about the gift cards. Now look, again, guys, this is a premium credit card. I'm gonna kind of put this stuff back together right quick here, and kind of get it back the way it was. The important documents there. I don't think I got everything back the way it was. Close this thing and get it out of the way here. Hold on for a second. I'll turn the camera around. All right, guys. So anyway, this is a premium credit card, and basically, when you start being able to, when you start really raising your credit score, taking care of business, obviously, keeping your credit utilization down, making sure that you're paying down your debts and stuff. I mean, with car payments, things of that nature. You're going to start to see your credit score go up from just doing those simple things. Paying debts down, paying them off. Definitely paying them off is going to be great for you as well, because it shows that you have the capacity to handle more credit. Your credit worthiness is obviously there as well. And so you'll start to build your credit, and your credit score is going to start going up. And then that's when you'll start really seeing big differences in like what type of credit cards are going to be coming your way. Okay. I'm telling you from experience, when I had bad credit, the one, as I was recovering, let's say that much, when I was coming out of the, starting to really work on my credit and start really turning it around, the one credit card company, I still carry their cards, that gave me an opportunity to kind of get that fresh start again, and it was Capital One. Some people are not really high on Capital One. I'm going to be high on Capital One, okay? Capital One is good, especially for establishing and rebuilding your credit. And I'm big on Capital One. So if it takes a secured credit card, I know Discover has it. I think maybe no, Discover has it. Capital One has it. Definitely look into those cards to help rebuild and reestablish your good credit. because some of us had good credit in the beginning and just squandered it and messed it up, right? I went from a credit tragedy to a credit triumph. And so can you, right? Hey, hit the subscribe button. And also too, ring that notification bell. So that way you guys don't miss when I upload videos. Sometimes I get a little some gaps in between the time, and it's just because I'm a busy individual. I still work. I have a lot of other stuff going on. So, bear with me, but I definitely would appreciate the support if you do subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, okay? It definitely helps the channel grows. With more subscribers, the channel can grow. More people can see the videos that I upload. And can, take some value out of the content. Okay, so again, this was the big reveal. Uploaded a video with the box. You guys saw what the contents were. It's the Bank of America Elite Rewards credit card. That credit card is going to be very beneficial to me and my family when we travel. Okay, so that's the big plus for me. Okay, now the downside to having a premium credit card like this one, similar to the American Express credit cards, is that you're going to have to pay for having that card. And the annual fee is like $550 for this card. Okay, so know that if that's something that you can afford, something that you can look past and say, hey, look, the card is far more beneficial. I think that the $550 will pay for itself. Me personally, I know that the $550 will easily pay for itself through the benefits of carrying this card. Okay, so I'm just going up and up, and I just, when I get these offers or I get the opportunity to get a premium credit card, hey, I get excited because I know that, hey, I'm doing the right things for these companies to take a look at me and say, hey, look, this guy is credit worthy. And if I can do it, you can do it, okay? And again, this is what this channel is all about. It's about the credit journey, right? And you can take this journey with me. And if you're someone right now who's like, hey, watching this video, you can turn it around and you can start working on it today. Again, it's going to take hard work, determination, discipline, and patience. Those 4 things to get to where you need to be, right? And you can have the credit that you deserve real soon, okay? And if you just got to put the first step forward, okay, and start working on it, And so, hey, we all deserve the best in this life. We all want to reach the top, and whatever the top means to you. It may mean being debt-free, achieving financial freedom, or hey, you just might want to be rich, right? And so just know this is all about the credit journey. CL's here every step of the way. I'm going to post videos. I try to be as transparent as possible. I'm showing you my own card, right? I don't know what other channels do. I see what's out there. I do know what I see that's out there. There's some good stuff, and there's some bad stuff, and there's some stuff in between. Hey, look, I'd rather be on the side of right than wrong any day. And so know that it's a process. You can go out there and buy stuff to kind of boost your credit score and all of that stuff. And in the end, no, it's just there's really no shortcuts to the top, guys. Okay. But if you want to know some ways of actually raising your credit score, hey, go watch some of the videos I've already posted. You know what I'm saying? You can become an AU, become an authorized user. There's, other ways, that you can raise your score. But if you're at a 500 or 550, become an authorized user, you really haven't shown anybody that you even worth, their time and interest, or even basically, even the trustworthiness. I mean, you got to start doing some things first to show that you deserve even that type of help, okay? But again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hey, another premium card in the stable. I mean, I haven't even gotten into to some of this other stuff. Hold on for a second. Let's see. Shout out to American Express. Look at that right there. That's coming soon. And so I'll do a video on the American Express Delta Sky Miles credit card in another video. But guys, I'm going to be as transparent as possible. I mean, literally my video should go viral simply because we have an individual who has been through the storm, right? Then got wet, right? Then got muddy, and then turned it all around just with a desire to want to improve my own credit score, and got tired of paying more for everything. And if that's you, if you fit that description right now, then hey, I got plenty of videos that you can watch that's already uploaded to the channel. I don't spend a lot of time and effort on thumbnails. I think the information that's actually on the uploads is enough, to tell whoever the viewer is to say, hey, look, here's the information about what I'm going to talk about in the video. But anyway, guys, just remember, hey, look, I'm here every step of the way. Take the credit journey with me, and we can beat this credit game together, right? I'm off to a good start. And if you're watching this video, you're off to a good start. So please let your friends and your friends know that there's someone out there talking about something valuable to you and them, right? And so subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. My email address is in the description. If you guys need to reach out to me, feel free to reach out to me. Say, hey, leave something in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Okay. In regards to the $45,000 in available credit. Okay, so that particular credit card that I just showed you right there is $20,000. I got $25,000 from Navy Federal. So combined, when I say combined, I have $45,000 in available credit. Hey guys, who do you know has that right now? CL has it. Okay. So anyway, guys, again, remember, the dream is free, but the hustle is sold separately. Peace.